Hello everyone. The next topic which I am going to explain you about is the Tower of Hanoi. So here the topic is given that is under the unit 3. Okay. So after this GCD the Tower of Hanoi will come. In this Tower of Hanoi, so what is exactly this Tower of Hanoi? Okay. Here they will give three discs and three rods will be there. Only one disc you have to move at a time, and no smaller disc must be uh, no larger disk must be above the smaller disk. So these are some of the rules. Now before that explaining, what I'll do, I'll just show you that it had came in the question paper, that is whatever the Tower of Hanoi which I have told right now, it had came in the question paper. Just a minute. So okay, so here is the mention the rules of the Tower of Hanoi. This is one, and one more, I think so, short note it had came. So write a short note on Tower of Hanoi. Okay, so here it is, short note of Tower of Hanoi. So like this it will come on. Short note means what? You have to write the rules and the program which I had given. So the program is here, and I'll explain how this program work. So this is the program, and these are the three functions. Okay, based on these three functions only the program will work. So this is the beginning, this is known as beginning, this is the auxiliary, and this is the end. Beginning, auxiliary, end. So like this they have changed here. So now see, here it is the beginning, here is the top, and here top, auxiliary. From peg means beginning, auxiliary, top means end. So like this they had given. So right now you are in confusion. I'll clarify that all confusions. Now what is there? What is Tower of Hanoi? So what is exactly the Tower of Hanoi? So it is a mathematical puzzle. Okay, game or puzzle. So it consists of three rods, and we have to move the disc from that one rod to another rod. For example, I'll just show you one example. See, from this, suppose this is the three rods A, B, and C. These are the rods, and these I have two discs. So my final output must be these two discs have to be moved from A to C. But there are some conditions we have to apply. So what are the conditions? So I'll just tell you what is the condition. So now we have to move this disc from one rod to another rod once at a time. We should not move both the disc at a time, and we have to put here or put there. Okay, so we have to move one disc at a time, and we have to put here, such that one more rule is what? First rule is what? Only we have to move one disc at a time, not two discs. Okay, so second is what? No bigger rod, that is larger, sorry, not rod, no bigger disc must be above the smaller disc. It must not be like this. So this is the another rule. It can be like this. So like the, what is that? You can do like this, bigger must be below and smaller must be up, but not like this. Like this means bigger must be above or smaller must be down. So in any of the rod it must not be like that. Okay, that is the another rule. I hope so you understood. And our main task is what? Three of them are here, sorry, two of the discs are here. Our main aim is what? We have to move this disc from A to C directly, so such that it has to be in the same form, and we have to apply the rules. So now I'll solve this. Okay, if there are two discs are there, first I'll move here once at a time. Next I'll write here. So I moved the one disk from A to B. Second disk, what I'll do, I'll move from A to C. I cannot move from A to B directly, because the rule is what? We cannot do like this. Bigger disk must not be above the smaller one. Okay, so I'll move from A to C. So next I'll move this one at a time like this, that is B to C. I hope so you understood how this puzzle works. So if 3 disks are there, what you have to do? Okay, if 3 disks are there, then how we have to do? A, B, C is there. I have taken one more disk here. So I'll just move this one disk from A to C. Okay, so I have moved one disk from A to C. Next, C, I'll move this from A to B, one more disk, and after that I'll move from C to B. After that I'll move this A directly from here to here. One at a time we have to take, don't take directly both. And after that I'll move this here from B to A. I'll take this, I'll put it here, then I'll move this disk and I'll put here. So this is how we have to work. So what I have done, I haven't made any from A to C we have done. It is not like that we have to do like this, that is smaller one must be down and larger one must be up, not like that. Everything must be on the way which as per the rules of the game. So once again I'll just show you how I have done. Okay, so first I have taken the smallest disk and I moved from A to C. Next I moved the second disk A to B. After that what I have done, this C to B I have moved the small disk. After that A to C. Next I'll move this A to B to A. This one I'll move here and this one I'll move here. So we got the answer. This is the technique, this is the puzzle game of the Tower of Ni. If suppose there are 4 disks, then how we have to do? Only 3 rods you have to take. 4 disks means you should not take 4 rods. Understood? Only in 3 rods only you have to do. If they had given 2, 3, 4, 5 disks, then you have to specify how to move that all. So this is how the Tower of Ni works. So in the next video I'll explain you the program, and along with that there is a formula for that, how to solve that, means how to solve this issue, whatever the problem they had given. So we have done, if it is 2 disks, 3 disks, we can do it. Okay, so if there is around 7 disks or 8 disks, then how we have to do? So there is a confusion. So for that they had given 3 statements, that is 3 type of formula is there. So if you apply that, you will get the answer. Understood? So I hope so you understood this technique of Tower of Ni. So in the next video I'll explain you the program. Which program? This program, the Tower of Ni program is there. I'll explain this program. Enter number of disk is there, sequence of disk A, B, C or A, C, P, like this they had given. So then you have to follow this. Okay, so before explaining this, I will tell you how this method will work. That is, the formula is there. That formula, if you apply, this is the formula. If you apply this formula, sorry. Okay, so if you apply this formula, then it will, you will get the answer. Okay.